The Würth Elektronik WR N-Type series presents an extensive range of N-type coaxial connectors and cable assemblies, encompassing PCB connectors, panel connectors, adapters, and pre-assembled cable solutions. These components serve RF interconnection and signal transmission needs, excelling in environments demanding robustness and stability. Featuring a screw-on coupling mechanism, they adhere to MIL STD 348 standards and support a DC to 11 GHz interface range. With durability up to 500 mating cycles and a 50 ohm impedance rating, they ensure reliable performance. Their IP67 protection rating and frequency range up to 18 GHz makes them dependable for connectivity in industrial settings, contributing to the efficiency of communication and signal processing systems. The Würth Elektronik N-type coaxial connectors and cable assemblies are ideal for various applications, including high-power machinery, RF test equipment, and network communications. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.